Hello guys, how are you everyone? Today is May 27 guys. We have our monthly clean up, but we need to be careful guys because Macau is have a lot of COVID now. So we are only 3 people today guys, but it's okay because some is they afraid also to go out guys, because almost uh, 1,000 people positive here. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like if you like guys. Thank you for all your supports guys. Sorry for the delayed back to your channel guys because I was so busy. And thank you so much and God bless everyone. Happy Sunday guys. So we are here and look the trash. Today is a sunny day, so we need to be careful guys. And the waves of the sea, as usual guys, I show you the weather today is really good. It's really good, but it's hot, quite hot. Oh my god, this gas tank guys, they just throwing in the sea. Oh, the dog is sleeping. Don't bite me, dog. Behave yourself, please. Don't bite Marilo, okay? See guys, a lot of firewood. If this one in the Philippines, I will get this one guys and can use it for cooking. So a flower, a lot of flowers, the 3 flowers guys. It's there. Oh my god, a lot of dogs here. Why the dogs is hiding here? Oh my god, it's a lot of rubbish. Oh my god, it's a lot of rubbish guys. The dog is barking me. Oh my god, it's a lot of rubbish guys. Oh my gosh. So guys, the bottles, styrofoam is mostly and the water of the bottles of waters guys is mostly here. See guys, oh my gosh, there's a lot. The waves of the sea is so beautiful to hear. To the trash guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time guys. beautiful waves.